Are we on? Okay. So today we're talking about parallel and perpendicular lines. The big thing to remember is that parallel slopes are the same, perpendicular slopes are opposite reciprocals. So let's talk about this as we go through this. So write the equation in slope-intercept form of a line that passes through the point 2, 9 and is parallel to y equals 5x plus 10. So the first thing we do is let's find what the original slope is. The original slope of this equation is 5. Therefore, the parallel slope, and that's again the parallel sign, is also going to equal 5. So we're going to use this. It also goes through the point 2, 9. So to write the equation, we're going to put it in point slope form, which is y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. So I get y minus 9 equals, the slope is 5, times x minus the x value, which is 2. So this is point slope form now. So now we want to put it in slope-intercept form. So we're going to distribute. We get y minus 9 equals 5x minus 10. We're going to add 9 to both sides. And we get y equals 5x minus 1. So just a quick recap. We look at the original slope. If it's parallel, it has the same slope. So if the original slope is 5, the parallel slope is 5. We take the slope and the point we're given, and we plug it into the point slope formula, and then we solve for y and put it in slope-intercept form. Now let's do the same thing, and this is actually the same numbers, but this time we're looking at perpendicular. So the original slope is 5, so our perpendicular slope is going to equal the opposite reciprocal, so that's going to be negative 1/5. And it's still going to go through the point 2, 9. So I'm going to plug these into our formula. Y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. So I get y minus 9 equals this one. This time our slope is negative 1/5. 5 negative 1/5 times x minus 2. So now it's in point slope form, so now we just need to put it in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to distribute my 1/5. So I get y minus 9 equals negative 1/5 x. Negative 1/5 times negative 2, and negative times negative is a positive. So that's going to be positive 2/5. Then I'm going to add 9 to both sides. And I'm going to get y equals negative 1/5 x plus, I'm just going to write that as 9 and 2/5. I'm going to write that as a mixed number. So again, perpendicular slopes are opposite reciprocal. The original slope was 5, so the perpendicular slope is negative 1/5. Let's do one more of these. This one is a perpendicular. So what we're going to need to do here is first we need to find out what the original slope is. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to subtract 2x from each side. Negative 9y equals negative 2x plus 45. Divide by negative 9. I get y, a negative over a negative is a positive, so it's going to be 2/9 x minus 5. So my original slope is going to be 2/9, which means that my perpendicular slope equals negative 9 halves. And it's going to go through this point right here. So let's plug this into our point slope formula. Y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. So we get y minus, that's actually going to be a what? Plus 13, positive 13, equals negative 9 halves x minus 6. Don't let the fractions bother you. Take everything one step at a time. So now we're going to distribute. So we're going to get y plus 13 equals negative 9 halves x. 2 goes into 6 3 times and into that once. So 9 times 3 is 27, and negative times a negative is a positive. So it's positive 27. Then we're going to subtract 13 from each side. So we get y equals negative 9 halves x plus 14.